Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Facebook password. So without any delay, let's start the video. Now first of all, go to your Facebook profile and now select those three lines on top of your right screen, click it here, and now select settings and privacy on the bottom, and now go to settings, and here you can see account center and see more in account center. Click that option, and now here is the password and security option. Click that option, and you can see the change passwords option. Click that option here and click your profile, and after that give the current password that is already been used on your Facebook. After giving your current password, give new password and retype the new password again. And after giving those passwords, now click the change password here. And as you can see, I have also an option. If you want to log out from other device, just click those device and select log out, and your password will be changed. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.